So hello everyone. So today we are going to look on some data analytics on Excel. So doing some sort of this. So what we are going to do that we are going to look on how to do some basic data analytics on Excel. So Excel has a lot of features, so we all know that we can perform some statistical analysis also in Excel. But our today our main focus is that how to crunch some data and look for some insights. So without wasting time, let's start. So in Excel, you can see that I have a data set which is the big basket data. So which you can download from Kaggle or just like any third-party website. So here is the data, and you can see that there are the columns like product name, brand, price. These are the columns. So what we can do, so let's go step by step and understand these things. So what we are going to do, so first let you can see that this is a column. So in Excel we are going to there is two options. Either we can fix this column, fix this row, or we can do one thing that either fix this row or we will bring that in a table format. So to bring the data in table format, what you have to do that you just have to click on insert and then you have to click on table. So first you have to select all the data, then you have to click on table. So then you will get a tabular look. But I am comfortable with the by just freezing the row. So what I will do, I will just go on view, and then I will freeze the row. So I will just freeze the top row. So you can see that now the top row is being freezed. So after the top row is being now freezed, so now we can perform some fundamental analysis. So it's we have just did this just for our convenience. So now you can see that there are different types of product. So there are several things comes in place when we are dealing with data. So we can do a lot of things. So what we want to do, that you can see that these are the prices. So you just select all the data which is in this column. So we will just select this, and then we will just click on the currency. So you can see that now our price is being just looks good and it's in price format. So this is the way you can perform these things, or you can see that these are the brands. So in Excel, to deal with different types of data, so we will look on how to do coding, encoding, and all of these things. So you just have to go on this sort and filter. So just click on the rows, click on the things, then sort and filter. So just click on filter. So you can see that in each cell, so which is fixed, there was an ribbon is being there. So then what you have to do, so let's just did this, let's just do this. So this is the product name, brand, price, and discount. Image, this is quite large, so I think we have to reduce these things. So let's go. Let's certain image URL. So this is image is there. I will just keep it like that. This is the quantity, and you can see that there are some kgs, and there is also some products which are sold on pieces. So next is category, subcategory, and there is the URL. So to filter out the data, suppose I want just Ashirwad, or I just want to see that how many brands are there. So it's not possible that you just scroll down the 8000 row. So what you have to do, you just click on this ribbon and you can see that all the brands are there. 24 mantra, and you can see that 24 mantra, and again, and Airwick, Ashirwad, these are the brands which are there. Amul. So these are the brand Ariel, which you can see that these are the brands which are there. So now if you want to select any of these brands, so if I am going to select just 24 mantra, then I just have to click there and then just click on OK. So you can see that there are only some few products, just like 5. So 5 products are from brand 24 mantra, and you can see that the product price is there, and the quantity, the people purchase this product as kg. So you can see that the weight is important. So also you can see that there are different categories, so fruit, grain, oil, and beverages. So if you want to select any of this one, then just click there and select. Suppose I want to work on fruit, grains, oil, and masala. So I don't want to work on beverages, so I just click there and then I click over this, and you can see that only 4 products is being shown, and the beverage is being removed. So now you can see that the filter is being applied, so we can now have a very customized view of our data. So to remove the filter, there is the same procedure. You have to select all this and then you have to bring this down. So I will just select all the brands whatever was there, and then just click on OK. So now if you want to hide one column, so what you have to do, you just click there and then you can hide it from the menu. So if you hide that, then the brand name will be hidden. So you can see that this is the discount price, so we will do the same thing. We will just bring the there, and these are the URL. So these are the URL and these are the quantities. So category is also there. If you want to look on a customized view of what are the fruits and vegetables from different brand are being sold, so you can also have a view over that. So now if you want to compare brands or any other things, then you have to do some more. So you can see that there are some onions and fresho. These are the brands which are there. So these are the brands, and these are tea, red label. So these are the prices. So to do some more work, we need to move on pivot table. So what we have to do, we just have to select the whole data from there. So to select the whole data, you just have to click on Control Shift, and then the right or left, whatever you want to select, and then select the whole data and just go on insert, and then just click there is, and one thing, there is a option which is recommended pivot table. So first, don't jump into your own analysis. So Excel is giving you a free recommendation, so always try that. So I am just showing you that just click on recommended pivot table. So as you click on recommended pivot table, Excel will do a basic analysis of this, and you can see that these are the pivot tables which are there. So I will just click on OK, and you can see that this is the pivot table which is created by Excel. So these are the total category, means these are the category and what is the category wise sales. So you can see there, so you can see that the baby product is sum of price is this. So if you want to filter this, you just click over the prices and then just go on home and then apply some conditional formatting. So as we apply on conditional formatting, you can see that this is the product which is beauty and hygiene. Beauty and hygiene is the category which is sold most. So this is our key area which is sold most. So this is a great mean area. So after that we can see that very less, means there are product which is sold, means you can see that fruits and vegetables which is around, and we can have yeah, fruits and vegetables which is 9,000, so which is very less. So this is the things which is fruits and vegetables is very less. So this is the thing. So you can see that fruits and vegetables is the category where the sell is very low. So you now you have an analytical point of view, or you have an idea that what is happening or what is going on. So we will again go on recommendations. So what we need to see that what Excel is recommending, then we will do some more. So you can see that the sum of discounted, the same thing is being done, and also you can see that the count of absolute URL, this is also there. So now you can see that this is the insights which we are getting from the Excel. So now if we want to, if we want to apply some sort of chart, so we have to just select this, and then we will go on, click on recommended chart, and you can see that Excel is recommending us a chart. So there is a column chart, so clustered column. So we will just click over there. So as we click over there, you can see that this is the category, and there is a ribbon. So if I click over there, so you, if you want to just select only one baby product, so you just click over there, you can see that. And then if you want to select all, and if you want to see all of the product, then you have to click over there. So you can see that what is the difference, that the beauty and hygiene is almost in the sky level. It's very high, and it's really doing well. So uh, in this way you can get a basic idea. So now we can do some more analysis, but for this we need some more data. So just like location, where is the product is going, and what is the next means some more data about the steps, means how the product is being sold, and blah blah blah, all the details and customer details, what is the customer profile. So if such data are there, then we will dive more. So this is just a basic overview. So from the data, so I just suggest you all of you that download any type of data and just do your own analysis. So in the pivot table, you have this all of these things, and you just apply this axis value, and also you can add filters. So try it, have a try. So we will try to keep this video short, and then in the next video we will do more. We will try to look on the many more other things. So let's subscribe us and do support us. So let's see you on the next video. And if you guys have any sort of doubts or question, please ask me in the comment section.